Are you still feeling busy? Are you finding it difficult to manage your daily work? ඔබ තාමත් කාර්ය බහුලද? ඔබට දිනදා වැඩ කළමනාකරණය කර ගැනීමේ ගැටලුවක් තියෙනවද? Now I had it when I started off in my career. මම මගේ රැකියා ජීවිතේ පටන් ගත්තාම මට තිබ්බ ගැටලුවක් තමයි මට ලබා දෙන වැඩ මැනේජ් කර ගැනීම. නැත්නම් වැඩ ගොඩ ගැහිලා කරගන්න බෑ. So one of my bosses walked up to me and said, "Nuwan, write down everything that you have to do on a particular day. Do it according to the list, and at the end of the day, do a review and see how much you have completed. And then if you have a backlog, plan it for the next day and write down the next day's activities prior to the beginning of that day. And after some time, you'll be able to find the results." ඔබට දිනදා කරන්න තියෙන වැඩ ටික ලියාගෙන ඒක දවස් අවසානයේ බලන්න කරලා කරගන්න පුළුවන් වුණාද නොහැකි වුණා නම් ඒ ටික ඊළඟ දවසට plan කරගන්න ඊළඟ දවසේ plan එකත් එක්ක. Now I kept on doing that and I found results. And what I'm trying to tell you is something beyond that, which I am working right now, and it has started giving me results. Now what is this? After making that list, there's something more that you can do. Now when you really take a look at the list that you have written, you can segregate the things that you have to do. ඔයාට පුළුවන් ඔයාට මේ ලිස්ට් එක ලියාගත්තට පස්සේ බෙදා ගන්න මේ තියෙන වැඩ කොටස් හතරකට. You can segregate it in four based on the urgency and the importance. Now if you take a list of things that you have to do at a given day, all of that might have an urgency. It can be a plus or a minus, or you have the importance. It can be plus or minus. Now based on these, you will be able to get four areas. What are they? Urgency is high. Importance is high. Urgency is low, but the importance is high. Urgency is high, but the importance is low. Urgency is low and the importance is low. Now, if you take these four scenarios, if you take the first one where both are high, urgency and importance, that means that is something that you have to do right now. And it has to be done by you because you don't have time to give it to someone else. And if you take the second scenario, urgency is high, but the importance is low. If you have two things at a given time, you have two things. Okay, the first one is urgent and important, but the other one urgent but not so important. What are you going to give the priority? So first one has to be given the priority, and the second one, but you need to do it at that time, but you can't do it. So what can you do? You can give it to someone that you trust, and you call it delegating. So both the work is getting done at the same time, and you're not feeling stressed as well. And the other scenario where the importance is high but the urgency is low, you have time to plan it out. Plan that work and do it properly. And the fourth scenario where the urgency is low and the importance is low, you can decide whether you're going to do it. If it has a huge impact, yes, take your time, plan it out, get the people involved and do it. But if it doesn't have an impact, you can keep it aside. So if you can plan it that way, you will be able to prioritize your work properly. And when you know how to do it, you will feel less stressed. You will feel that you are living in the moment. And more importantly, you will be happy at the end of the day because you feel that you have accomplished something. දැන් ඔයාලට පුළුවන් නම් මේ ආකාරයට වගේ වැඩ ටික බෙදාගෙන කරගෙන යන්න දවස් අවසානයේ සැහැල්ලු සතුටුයි මොකද වැඩක් කරලා හරියාකාරව නිම කරා කියලා අපිට දැනෙන්න පටන් ගන්නවා. So try this out. It has started working for me and will definitely work for you as well.